Rilassa. Okay. Good. Okay. Relaxing. No, don't tell me. Okay. Relax. Oh, vedo io, tu lasci di cadere. Bravissimo. Molto, no? Rilassato. Bravo. And exhale. Okay, relax. Good. Okay, great. Speed. E fuori. Ok. Good. No worries, okay?
Yes.
No pain. Relax. Afraid a little? No worries. Un po' di paura? Ok. Trattamento così?
Sì.
First time doing this kind of treatment. Okay. No worries, okay? Okay. turn it on this. Okay. Open a little. Relax now. Okay. Ok, good. Rilascia completamente la bocca, la mandibola, come se si muovesse, rilassa. Più rilassata che puoi. Lascialo. Ok. Either side of the table.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm kind of stupid.
You are good, don't worry. Sitting like this. Good.
Oh, God.
And I'm gonna rotate you this way. Hey, face down again.
Okay. Complicated procedure.
Raise your right leg up as high as you can for me.
Like that.
Yep. Any pain with that?
A little, but not like a whole lot.
Okay. Relax head to the right.
It's a little more
Okay.
painful.
A little more painful? Okay. Let me have you bring your hands. Good. Uncross, and then I'm just gonna. Okay. And how did that feel?
It feels better.
Good, good. Bring that back down. I'm gonna bring this top leg up, just like that. Good. And then I'll have you lay on your back. Okay. From here, I'm gonna do those leg pulls, so you'll feel this in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna lean you back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. A little tighter. Good. There it was. Good. Take a deep breath in. And good.
I missed you.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.
oh.
Yeah, thank you.
Took a piece of my soul.
Not too bad though, right?
No, it's not. It doesn't like hurt really bad. It's just a shock.
Yeah, I mean, you felt pressure getting taken off from starting up top.
Yeah.
It's a big adjustment.
Yeah. Oh wow. I literally feel like I'm gonna be the tallest person in the